Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable accessibility-friendly branding in Adobe. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable accessibility-friendly branding in Adobe, open the Adobe application you are using. Navigate to the Preferences or Settings menu. Look for the section labeled Accessibility or Accessibility Features. Ensure that accessibility options are enabled. Select the option to create accessible documents or designs. Check for any built-in templates that support accessibility features. If available, choose a template that uses high contrast colors. This will improve visibility for users with visual impairments. Next, focus on text readability. Use clear, sans serif fonts like Arial or Helvetica. Set a minimum font size of 12 points for body text. Ensure sufficient line spacing for better readability. Consider the color palette. Choose colors that are high contrast against the background. Avoid using colors that are difficult for colorblind users to distinguish, like red and green together. Add alternative text to images and graphics. This description will help screen readers convey the content effectively. Incorporate meaningful headings and subheadings. This structure aids navigation for users relying on assistive technologies. If you are using Adobe InDesign, use the Tags panel to add tags to your content. Apply reading order to ensure logical flow. Review your design using Adobe Acrobat's Accessibility Checker. This tool will identify any elements that need adjustment. Make the necessary changes based on the suggestions provided. After completing your design, export it in a format that supports accessibility, such as PDF. Ensure that you select accessibility options during export. Finally, preview your document with a screen reader. This will help you verify that all elements are properly accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.